Hi everyone. Okay, I'm here now to try to help you as much as I can with a backup camera on your unit. If your unit came with a Furion mount on the rear of your unit, as mine did, I have researched cameras. The Furion was relatively expensive, and as you know if you're watching my videos, I am all about saving money. So, in fact, that's why I put together my booklet, How to Save Money While Traveling, that is available, and you'll get more information at the end of this. So, I got a Antifo camera, which was substantially less money, and they give you a link to a nice video that shows you how to verify the camera works, but it does not tell you anything about how to mount it to your unit. And they gave a little bracket, but with that bracket, there's slots and holes, and it doesn't fit very tightly, which in my opinion allows weather, water, rain, dirt into the inside of the bracket where you're mounting this. And personally, I don't like any water or dirt getting in anywhere on my unit. So what I have chosen to do, after watching a video of another gentleman who did the same thing, and I wish I could remember the URL to that, because then I would just send you over to that URL or video. But I will be doing virtually what he did, and that is mounting the camera right to the existing plate that came on the Furion bracket on the trailer. So my camera came with a bracket attached to it. You'll want to take the Allen wrench that is supplied with all your parts and remove the bracket. Now to drill the holes, as you can see, I put the bracket on top of a roll of tape to give me some room for the drill to go through. And I'm going to use a drill bit as small as I can compared to the size of the screw. So again, to try to keep it as watertight as possible. Okay, so now that you've drilled your holes, 2 holes and the center hole, and the center hole has to be big because you hold your bracket up to it, and through the center holes you have to put the cord with the connector on it, and you have a weatherproofing grommet that has to go into and fit in these 2 holes, sealing them against the weather. Okay, so I got the grommet in, but I have to tell you, it was one of the hardest, most frustrating things I've done, and I can't say it's in completely right. I swear the grommet is too big for the hole, but it's there. So now we just have to hook the camera back up to the bracket, and then screw this bracket back onto the trailer, and or vice versa, screw this on first and then put the camera back on the bracket, and then we will hook it up to power and make sure everything communicates. When you go to hook this up to your trailer, to your Furion bracket on your trailer or camper, this will not hook directly. So they give you this wire so you can insert that in there, and then this will insert into the wire outlet for power that's in your Furion bracket. Okay, so I came out and I mounted it back onto the Furion bracket. Just had to connect the wires together with the connector I showed you, screw in the screws, and that was it. With that connector and the Furion bracket, it instantly powered up, and here we are with a rear view of my ugly utility trailer. And that wave going by is just a video of a video. That's why it's doing that. It doesn't do that for real. Now I have my lights on. I'm going to turn my lights off and see if that, nope, yep, no signal. So I do have to have my running lights on in order to be able to get a signal and have the camera work. So even with that connector in the back, I still have to have my running lights on. So I would think they would have powered it so you could have it all the time, but nope, they didn't do that. So anyhow, that's it. I hope this helps you. And again, the hardest thing I had was that stupid weatherproofing grommet. That was beyond difficult. So, talk to you later, and I hope this helps. Bye. So in the video, I stated how I wrote a book on how to save money while traveling. Travel has gotten quite expensive. It's getting more expensive all the time. And so we have worked very hard to find ways to save money, and I want to pass that information on to you. We've saved a lot of money at times. In fact, we took a trip recently to Chicago, and this is documented in the back of the book, how we did it. We had a whole lot of points and other ways of saving built up, and what would have cost us for the train, plane, hotels, and car rental would have been just under $3,000. We did the whole thing, all of those, for less than $1,000. That's how much money we saved. And all that, how we did it, is in this booklet. So if you buy the booklet, it is $14.99 for the booklet, and I put a guarantee on there that if you do not save at least that much money in the first year of getting the booklet and using the ideas, I will buy the booklet back from you. And again, we saved over $1,900, so if you can't save $15, then I guess you're not traveling or you're not using the ideas. So please order the book. Also, please like, share, and subscribe to our videos, because if we can monetize the videos, that helps us with our travel expense, and the selling of the books helps us with our travel expense. So we keep bringing videos to you that help you to save money, save time, save effort, and know where to go and where not to go. If you're interested in the booklet, please go to travelwithrolar@yahoo.com and email us and let us know, and we will get back to you and take your order. And yes, we can take credit cards for that. And again, guaranteed you will save more than you paid, or I'll buy the booklet back from you for what you paid for it. Take care and have a wonderful day.